everyone, I am Sukanya Singh Gupta, an alumni of Vivekanand Education Society's College of Arts, Science and Commerce. I am from the Computer Science Department. Welcome to the family.
Hi, my name is Neha Hariharan and I am an alumnus of VES College.
Hi, I am Pritesh Chatterjee and I am a recent computer science graduate from VES College of Arts, Science and Commerce. Studying computer science at VES for 3 years was perhaps one of the most rewarding experiences of my life. Apart from the basic syllabus, our teachers encouraged us to move out of our comfort zone and study other domains and technologies.
In the first year, there were a lot of workshops that were conducted, and our teachers really supported us and encouraged us to participate in it. We had workshops like Drupal, cloud computing, Photoshop, etc. These things actually helped us work on our skills more than the things that were already there in our course.
During my college years, I not only received exposure to the world of technology, but I also had opportunities to develop professionally as I was encouraged to participate and lead several college events. Our college has always encouraged students on all-round development and not just focus on academics. Personally, for me, my interest was in people development, which is why when I pursued my MBA, I volunteered to come back to college and coach and mentor students on soft skills and communication skills development, which are essential life skills as they grow in their careers.
In the second year, we got an opportunity to organize our very own event called Vihan. And what was better was, with the help of our teachers, we revamped Vihan into a very big event, and we had events like interview where top people from the industry came to deliver their talks that we had uploaded even on YouTube.
Now, what special thing is there about VES? Well, I was in ACP, that is Additional Credit Program. Here, we had the opportunity to create our own research projects from not just our department but other departments and streams as well. And also lectures were held where we could choose our own subject of liking, such as psychology, report reading, and many more. Using all this knowledge, I could create many projects such as machine learning applications, IoT devices, and also take part in hackathons, competitions where I won several prizes.
We got an opportunity to work under mentors to write our own research paper, and this in turn helped us to apply for masters abroad and in a lot of other places. Being a passionate singer and dancer, the teachers always supported me to participate in events so that I could get better at what I was and I could explore much more.
It's been an absolute honor and privilege to have learned and grown in the college and now also give back to this college.
Well, I must say, and that these experiences helped me shape my personality and made me the person I'm there today.
That every single student who enters this college is going to turn out to be more confident and brighter in their career. Thank you.